For your next job, internship, or E360 activity search, the Center for Student Professional Development recommends you make use of our job and internship board that's just for Aggies, called ExperienceLink. ExperienceLink is powered by Simplicity and can be accessed using the Simplicity Jobs and Careers mobile app as well as on desktop. The first time you log into the Simplicity mobile app to access ExperienceLink, you will be able to update the icon and change your home screen to the Del Val School logo. Your home screen will allow you to see recently posted positions that you can favorite or unfavorite, depending on your interests. It will also show you positions that are trending now based on student interest. There is a filter feature, which you can utilize to narrow down your positions. There's also a general search where you can look from most recent to least recent position. Under My Jobs, you'll be able to see all the positions that you favorited. You can then view more details and decide whether or not you're going to apply. Some positions will ask you to apply directly through the app. Other positions will ask you to apply through a general website that's affiliated with the organization you're applying to. Under More, you'll be able to upload your resume and cover letter for easier application to positions that want you to apply straight through the app. And you can also find more information under your account, such as personal information, your academic profile information, and your experiential learning program information. You can click here to submit your E360 application, beginning with your E360 action plan. And that's it. Hopefully, you'll make use of the mobile app and contact CSPD at delval.edu with any questions. Thanks.